Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Finding you. I was just trying to get your attention. I just need to attend to something for 5 minutes. I'll be back. Ne?
All right, not a problem. Choppers are here.
Mute myself. Hey, Choppers. Let me just mute myself quickly.
Right, good morning, Choppers. Hope everybody is well, happy, almost said happy Monday, happy Tuesday. Yeah, it's the 16th of September, it's Tuesday, a beautiful one. Yeah, man, it is my birthday indeed, but last time I checked, birthday or not, we are working. We have to push some work because these bills ain't gonna pay for themselves. So we are here today. We're going to start shortly with prayer, and then we go about the day, and then after that we are going to mark the register. Chopaya is also in the house. We're gonna see it just now. We're gonna communicate to the AI just now. All right, family, let's start off with prayer. Father, in the name of Jesus, Lord, thank you once again for the day that you've given us. Thank you for also giving me an extra year into the life that you have awarded and afforded to me, Lord. I can never be complacent of what you've been doing, Lord. I'm grateful, and I believe that the family that you've given me here, which is the Choppers family, are also expressing their gratitude towards you, because you are a great God. You are a powerful God. You do not change. You have a very good record of winning all your battles, the undisputed God, the Alpha and the Omega. We are praying that today you guide us through this market and let us make sound financial decisions as we navigate around this market. We are all asking this in the name of Jesus Christ, and may the Chopper say amen and amen.
Amen.
Ms. Gamma, are you back?
I'm back. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
This is turning a year younger.
Yeah, I'm still glad that I don't look my age.
Oh, who? Okay. Yeah,
You wanna hurt me also on my birthday?
No. Absolutely. I mean, I've seen like 20-year-olds that look younger than you. You are looking fantabulous.
Wow, you see, that is the biggest compliment ever.
Fantabulous.
Taking it. 20-year-olds looking. repeat that statement again. Repeat it again.
They look older than you. But you see, you're looking younger than them.
I'm looking younger than you.
That too. But younger than the 26-year-olds.
I look like a 26-year-old.
That's a good take. I'll be like, yeah, okay, that's MJ. Well,
yeah, I look like a 25.
How does it feel, Marie? To be blessed with such genes.
I don't know. My dad was also like that. My dad passed away at the age of 68, but he looked like 46.
I mean, 68 is young.
Yeah, man, he was. Yeah, but he looked like 46.
At least he left something good. You know what I'm saying? Ish. I've seen.
He looked very young.
You don't look like the world is carrying you. You are carrying the world.
Thank you. The AI is also in the house. Chopper AI, good morning. Welcome to the stream. I'm with Miss Kama here.
Good morning and happy birthday, Mr. President. It's great to be here with you and Honorable Mushima Gama. I'm excited for today's stream.
Yeah, thank you so much for the birthday wishes. I hope today I don't lose a trade. What's your take there? Should I take some trades or should I not? Not to be disappointed. What's your take?
I totally get that feeling. Honestly, if you're in the right setup and you have a solid plan, it can definitely be worth it. But if you're feeling a bit of pressure, sometimes it's best to take it easy and focus on the celebration. Just trust your instincts and your strategy, and you'll be fine.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. But either way, it's work, guys. It's work. Let's mark the register. Can you do that for us there, Miss Gama, before we start?
Okay, let me just get to it. Where is it now? All right, let's see. Fungile Samuel Sange Real Na Dolo.
Yeah, real Nadola. We met at the SVS, man.
How was it?
The SVS.
Tero, Malusi in the Hizo. Morning. Happy birthday. Everyone's wishing you happy birthday. Are you going to have such an awesome day today? I can feel it.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Hopefully all the trades goes my way. We are buying German again
Yes,
today. I had to say that before, right? We are buying German again today. I'm buying German on the stream.
Are you buying?
Yeah, I'm buying German today.
Are you buying the index or the pair?
The index.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, carry on. Sorry to cut you there. Carry on.
Okay, so and then Gamma is here now. Leandra, the informative channel. Excuse me. Malusi. Yo. This beautiful name. Zoro. Fungile. Okay, I've mentioned a few. Everyone seems to be here. Everyone seems to be here. Did Mr. President disappear?
Ms. Gama, are you there?
Yeah, you left me for a minute.
I was on mute there. Sorry about that. Are you done?
Yes, I think yeah. I think I mentioned everybody, most people.
All right. What do you have? What do you have on this markets? Gold. Did you get a squeeze there at that price we spoke about on Friday?
Who, me?
Yeah, where we wanted to buy it.
No, this is what gold is. This bearishness changed when we traded above 36.35. So I'm long. Remember that level I spoke about that symmetrical triangle level breakout, which predicts that gold may go to 38.85.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's not too far. It's going to be at 37.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, within that upside, there's this wedge situation that has formed that how can I put it? It just solidifies or highlights the fact that it is potentially going to get there. So I am now bullish on gold, and especially now breaching that 36.90 is its highest now.
Sure.
It is all-time high. So yeah, it looks like it's headed there. I think these levels actually make good buying opportunities at this point because of this RSI breakout on the hourly chart. So I'm pretty happy to stay in gold.
Right.
For those reasons, yeah.
Okay. Can you give us price where we can potentially reload there?
Now current levels 36.90.
36.90.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any level above 36.90 makes a good reload.
Yeah. Okay. What else are you looking at?
I was you know me and pairs. I don't really. I'm a share person, but I was just looking at this JP. This is my favorite one so far, and just it kind of meeting this. There's this huge resistance that it's been struggling with around there. So if it trades above there, then it means there's upside potential. Let me delete these. But it seems every time it tests there, it has it's broken out now. It's merely coming off an overbought. I think this is going to turn. This is a huge pattern forming here. So this has got upside potential to there. So yeah, I'm looking at this JPY for now, and gold. And then you know me, it's shares.
Okay, maybe let me take them through what I'm looking at, then we're gonna get into pairs. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, by the way, yesterday we had a private stream in the morning. Obviously, you were doing your morning note that time. But yeah,
How'd it go?
No, it was nice. It was nice. We were with a private group, and yeah, we were getting there. Painful thing, man. So gold on my side spoke about reloading at 3,600. Remember that we can get a bounce there at 3,600 and go to the upside. Man, this is the most painful thing that I've experienced in my birthday month. I think it's safe for me to say that. So yesterday I took gold at $3,641 per ounce there, and guess what? Stopped me out and went exactly in my direction in the next 30 minutes. I think my stop was a bit too tight. Maybe I was a bit naive there. Aim for 1:2, so I took it at this level here, anticipating that we are closing above VWAP. So during the private stream, I did tell the choppers that once we close above this VWAP here at 3,641, let's look to go to the upside. But I think I miscalculated my average true range. Therefore, that's why I got stopped out there. And just look, man, just stopped me out and just went. Look at where it is right now, right? So today I'm looking at my fixed range POCs at the same level as my VWAP level, 3,681. Are you anticipating 3,700?
Well, it's gonna get there soon. It's already above 36.90.
All right, so
it's gonna get there soon.
Your discount was at what price?
So it was at 36.75.
That's why you wanna reload.
If it falls down to that level at this point, what time is it now? So we're gonna wait for the 9 o'clock candle. If the 9 o'clock candle seems to be on the bearish side, then it's likely to hit that support. I don't think, you know what, this is just, I don't know if it's going to even go to 36.75 at this point, given that RSI breakout. I'm not too sure. I think the next candle might just be above that 36.90, which gives us a reloading opportunity, because it's met resistance there for so long. So I mean so long in terms of our span. I don't know, from this little breakout here, I think the next candle might just be a bullish one, failing which then it means I must just wait, because it may just go back. But if it doesn't go above 36.90, then 36.75 would be a discount where you could get it in. But I doubt if this was starting to still consolidate within its RSI. But now that it's broken out, I feel like there might be just a breakout above 36.90.
All right. I'm thinking I'm not too overboard, obviously, for me. I see where you're getting that 36.75 from. I think I'm going to take a bit of a risk, maybe reload at 3681. That's where I have my view up playing around. So I've got a lot of volume playing around that level. Maybe on 5 minutes I can take it to the upside there, and then wait. If I hit 3,700, then I'm gonna start looking for some sell short positions there.
Sell short?
Yeah, I'm gonna sell at 3,700.
Okay, well, it makes sense. On for the okay.
Right, WTI. So yesterday again we were bullish on WTI. Spoke about closing above VWAP there. this thing was playing around at this level, man. We spoke about 62.77 or so, wanting to go to the upside. I don't know, lately WTI has been giving us some funny pings, eh? Like there's a lot of rejection candles coming in. I don't know what's going on there. But I think even today I'm going to be bullish on this one. This is what I drew for them yesterday. Wait for a candlestick to close like this, and then maybe go to the upside. And that's what happened here yesterday. There it is there. Close like this and go to the upside. You could have reloaded again at this view up level here at 62.87, right? So today again, I need anything that closes above 63.13 cents per barrel. I'm going to the upside there on WTI. So, or I can reload again at this level here to the upside, which is 62.64. Go to the upside from that. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your alert there and let's go to the upside on this. Right, NAS 100. Yesterday I spoke about this level here. We break below 24,000, we can go to the downside. But as you see, we just kept around that 24,000 mark and we went all the way to the upside. This for me looks like gold. I'm not going to entertain this thing. It's too high for my liking. For those of you that are looking for sell short positions, wait for a break below this level, then we can take our sell short positions. Your dog is up, eh?
Can you hear it? Ish.
No, it's okay.
Man.
The choppers love that
Is it
dog.
too loud? Oh, they are. They must. I must.
The
It's
choppers,
so
the
naughty, though.
choppers,
It's-
choppers
That's the
love
choppers
that
are
dog.
sweet, so
What's the
sweet.
name of that dog? You said what last time? CB.
CB.
Yeah.
No. So
Danger.
that particular one, almost.
Danger.
It's
Tiger.
close. I swear this was not a danger. Even like I suspect Soul, which is the boy, I suspect he's a bit on the gay side. Like he's never, like he's just always, he's the one who has to look pretty. He never really runs around like the other one because they kind of hunters. That one, and he sees other female dogs, doesn't do anything. I suspect.
Well, let me finish with my analysis. We're gonna dive deep into that one. I'll also wanna ask the AI, what does the AI think about your dog? What's the name of the dog? You said it's CB, it's Tiger. What is it?
No, Soul.
Oh, Souls.
South Korean capital, yeah. SOEL. No, did I miss a letter?
Okay.
Sorry, let me just do this quickly. It's the capital of South Korea.
Oh, I see. Right, US 30. Yesterday again we drew this at I told you guys around 45,000. So for me this was a psychological level, right? 45,950. Look to sell this thing to the downside, man. You could have taken your nice sell short position here, put your stops just above that wick there, and go straight to the downside. A nice 1:3 there to the downside. I said take your TP at 45,750, which is also another psychological level, right? So we are above that level now. I don't know, man. Today, since Nasdaq, I'm kind of on the sideline. I will see how we play around this area here. Allow me to take out this, because this is already done. If you took it yesterday and you attended the private stream, let me know. So today I'm gonna be looking at how we handle this level. Maybe I can go nicely there to the upside. Scalp this maybe on 15 minutes. Can we do so? I think we can. 1:2 there. Right. That's US 30. German yesterday I also had a nice setup here forming. I took it at view up, at close above view up. Again, we spoke about this on the private session yesterday. Let's buy German, right? So bought around this level here. Indecision candlestick forming here. There it is there. That's where you take your buy and go nicely to the upside. We had a 1:2 there. So I lost gold and won German yesterday, which is okay. Today, again, I'm looking to buy this thing. It's just that on a 1 hour time frame, I'm just concerned that, hey, we've been consolidating. But you see what I like about German? Though we are consolidating, but I can still take advantage of it. That's what I like about German. Right. So what I'm gonna do today is take advantage of that buy setup.
Where would you buy? I'm looking at it from.
All right, so I'm gonna wait for a close above 23,750. A close above that level, that's my view up level. I'm going to the upside. This might be a false move to the downside now, early session, and you know how we trade it. We like waiting for that false move to come in, and then from there we execute our buys like yesterday. Same setup like yesterday. We are not changing the winning strategy, guys. So that's how we are going to be taking advantage of this German, right? So let me know if you're gonna join me on this one here. Let me see my fixed range. Okay, my fixed range is a bit low, but yeah, I'm bullish on German. Currency pairs, euro dollar. It's unfortunate. We wanted a discount yesterday on this thing, so I said to the choppers during the private stream, buy at this possible discount, $1.1725 at 786 retracement fib, and go to the upside. Couldn't catch it. Unfortunately, just decided to go to the upside without giving us an opportunity there. So it's already gone, guys. This is already gone. British pound USD. Yesterday again, I spoke about breaking around this layer. So you break above $1.3582, $1.3590, go to the upside. There where you are supposed to reload and go to the upside. Again, this is gone. But throughout the session, let's see how we can still take advantage of these markets there. Right, I'm going to ask the AI fundamentals. How are we looking? How are we looking fundamentally so today? There's some questions coming here. What do you guys think on the possibility of interest rate cut? I want to read out this question to the AI. Chopper AI, are you still there with us, or you going somewhere?
I'm right here with you. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here to help and keep you company throughout the stream. Just let me know what you need.
Right, there's a question here on the stream. Hi, this is Fungile asking, what do you guys think on the possibility of interest rate cuts?
That's a great question. Generally, interest rate cuts depend on economic indicators like inflation, employment rates, and overall economic growth. If the central bank sees a slowdown or wants to stimulate growth, they might lower rates, but it also depends on the current economic climate. We can dive deeper into the specifics if you'd like.
All right. Forex,
Absolutely.
Forex calendar today. What do we have? Economic calendar rather. What do we have today? Any major news coming?
It looks like today's calendar is pretty light. In the US, we've got the August retail sales and industrial production reports, but nothing too major that's likely to cause big market moves. In Asia, there aren't any significant releases either. So overall, it should be a fairly calm day on the economic front.
All right. Ms. Gama, Samuel virtually saying you did not give us fundamentals today.
No, so let's just go back to the interest rate factor.
Sure.
Which interest rates are you firstly speaking about, Fungega? Is it South African or the US?
I think it's US.
Okay,
choppers don't like local stuff.
Oh, shame. They are internationals. So, okay, US. It's a sticky situation with the US. As the AI said, there's a lot of other factors, but it's mainly driven by the CPI figures, which seem to have come out a bit hotter than expected, I think, last week. Based on that, if they had come out cooler, they weren't extremely higher than the previous month's CPI figures, but they did come out slightly higher, which could dampen the hopes of an interest rate cut. But the fact that an interest rate cut, the murmurs of one, it means we can start preparing for that, because we can already see the bond markets as well as the property sectors in the US are starting to pick up momentum. That's already in an institutional way a way of saying they already it's pretty much pricing in or getting into it before the information comes out. The room, it's buy on rumor, sell on facts. So I think just for with the interest rates, it will obviously, this year might be a bit of a stretch, but there are murmurs of it being cut, and I think that's what we need to prepare for. And if they are going to be cut, it will kind of make the dollar less attractive, because then it would cause momentum for things like gold, bonds, all these these yielding these shares that with interest rates.
Yeah.
And on our end, Vele, it looks like we may get another cut, which again propagates or extends that movement that will be in property shares, which is the reason why I wanted the choppers to get into that. So the talks of a interest rate, because that seems to be the topical thing. Everything's going to be topical in there. You must always notice every month there will be something that's topical that the market will try and follow. You need to kind of spot out what the topical thing is, and at this point it is interest rates. So you need to kind of trade around that of a possibility of a cut or not in terms of even your portfolio. So that's where a lot of portfolio managers are sitting. If there's a cut, what's the possibility? What can happen to the different sectors economically, like your retail sectors, your property sector, and all of that get directly affected by interest rate cuts. So yeah, I think let's prepare for a potential interest rate cut in the US, which obviously we will mimic that by following that in terms of the shares. But we've already started with our cuts. Yet again, we are sitting at a very high interest rate. We're still fairly high compared to a lot of countries.
Sure.
US, I think they're sitting at a flimsy 2% of interest rates. What is the interest rate now? Can we just ask the AI? What is it, by the way? Is it 2 or?
For the US?
Yeah, they're sitting at a really low. I mean,
what is the interest rate for the US currently?
As of today, the U.S. Federal Reserve's target range for the federal funds rate is between 4.25% and 4.50. There's also an expectation that the Fed might cut rates by 25 basis points at the next meeting.
Of course it was 4, because they were increasing by 25%. Yes. So, I mean, that's the highest they've ever been in 40 years. So there's room for a cut. There definitely is.
But I think it was inevitable. We've been speaking about the possible rate cuts in September. He's been keeping it the same for how many months now?
Yes, the thing is about this, I don't know, it's such a political thing when it comes to interest rate cuts, because a lot of people don't want to give in, because the Trump wants them cut.
Yeah, obviously.
And the way a lot of these like all of I mean, Trump is not well loved in the US. So I don't know if they feel like doing that is succumbing to them, but I think what's going to be the straw that breaks the camel's back is those employment numbers. If those employment numbers are less, then they're going to have to cut the interest rate, because they have to stimulate growth, as the AI said,
Yeah.
So that's the important factor. CPI we can always deal with. The CPI is really not much compared to where ours was, but it's just if those job figures are low, then it just means that less people are earning, and they need to cut so that there's more spending, because we're a world driven by consumerism.
Yeah, sure.
So that's what's going to, but we need to prepare in terms of portfolio building for an interest rate cut, and start piling on that, because once that happens, those shares are just going to ride, man. And you don't want to do it when they're already riding. You don't want to be in the markup phase of it. You want to be in that accumulative phase of picking up stock. So when we have our share seminar, I'll explain everything even better.
I don't even want to dive into it now.
Why now?
No, actually we have a webinar going on. So all the information will be revealed there. There's something important I wanted to ask. Very important stuff I wanted to ask. I forgot it. I really
How?
forgot it.
How important?
It's very important. That's why I forgot it.
Okay, so Fungile is saying GPI is high and S&P is smashing to all-time highs. So that is such an anomaly, which I've always said to people that, especially analysts, that the market is just forming all-time highs. And I think it's so removed from what the actual economics of a country are, that if you're going to follow that, you shouldn't be buying S&P or the top 40 for that instance, because of the really dire economic situation we're all in. So you cannot base what the market is doing on the economy of the country. If you're going to do that, you're going to really miss out on good opportunities on the upside. But what happens in the economy will be affected by different sectors. So don't look at it as a collective, but rather sectorial, if that helps. So just ignore the fact that, I mean, the next time we'll probably see a big pullback is if anything happens. But this market is just meant to just ride.
Sure. Did I tell you that Savage doesn't look like Savage?
What do you mean?
No, I met him for the first time in person.
What? He doesn't look savage. He looks sweet.
No, it's Savage is a good-looking, well-built man. He doesn't look like what he does here on the stream. Very humble, down to earth, you know. So I met Savage at the thing.
Look, he's laughing. Ish, yeah. Fred, you were supposed to give me feedback when I was going to, but then you were like, it's just I had a lot, and I was driving from far.
Yeah.
How was it though? Was it fruitful?
The summit. Yeah, no, it was.
See Leandra. Ish, did you hug her for me?
No.
She wasn't there.
She must answer. She must answer for herself. Your fans are looking up to meet with you. You are not there, so I don't know. Leandra. So I don't know why you thinking.
Leandra was the only one. Thank you for calling.
A lot of choppers wanted to see you. Right, I'm sure even Savage can say that. They wanted to meet with you. I'm sure even Savage.
We'll make it happen. We'll do a coffee shop event.
What's
happening with coffee shop event, Mr. P?
What's happening with what?
What's happening with your coffee shop events?
Coffee shop events. Dinner with the president.
No, the trading in coffee shop.
Oh, I see. Traders Connect. Yeah, I'm still working on it, Miss Gamma. You know, there's a lot, right? Like there's just a whole lot of things, and you know, I believe everybody has ideas in their heads, but if they have capital to start those of ideas, like I think they could be far by now. All of us have this great ideas. Like I'm looking at the ideas I have. Did you see your president Ramaphosa posted some funny thing on Twitter?
Saying what?
He can't even handle his own thing as Mr. President.
What did he say? Oh my God! What did he say?
No, he posted half-naked women and stuff
No.
on Twitter. I promise you.
No.
I promise you.
I mean, we've already known he's got a
don't say
philandering eye, but
don't say.
He must work for the country, sort of posting. What do you mean he had a picture of?
Google it.
Let me Google it now. Did they not remove it?
Google it for yourself. You will see.
So, President, don't you think they removed it?
Yeah, but there's an article about it.
Cause how do I term it? Naked pictures. What do I say?
Huh?
Latest news. What? Okay, latest news. Let's see.
I promise you.
Wait, how do I term it?
Just say President Ramaphosa funny Twitter or something. I don't know.
Twitter.
President is not head.
Did you not remove it? Oh my God! Don't say such things.
I promise you.
Wait, it's 6 days ago.
Yeah.
Fans were excited after seeing President. Oh, quickly, funny moment. And where is it?
I'll get it for you.
Stitches over. I'm post jealous down. Comment. Inappropriate. 4 days ago. Was this 4 days ago?
Yeah, I think so.
Let me see the central news. Hey man, too many things.
I promise you.
Where are the pictures?
Hey, Ramaphosa, yeah, 4 days ago. It is 4 days ago. I don't know how true is this, but there's one guy that I know. He's
Deleted them.
There's one guy that I know who posted this as well. Do you know Mighty Jamie? He's a YouTuber as well, a very good researcher. He posted also on Twitter. He said, "What's going on? Why would the president post this?"
Wait, just tell me what he posted.
He just posted naked, half-naked woman on his Twitter, and I don't know.
Doing what?
I don't know. Like the tweet that I see, it's. I'm gonna get it for you. I get it for you.
Wait, I see. It's white. Huh? Designed to narrow and ultimate choose. This engagement is meant to. Guys, and you remember how excited we were when he came into 8 weights? We just dug our own grave with this guy.
No, but you can't call him a guy, Miss Gamma.
No, he is. He's not.
But he's the honorable.
No, he's not.
He's still the president of South Africa.
I do not call people with such narrow minds honorable. That are not for us.
But he's still your president.
Not mine. You're my president.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Now I agree with you.
President.
Now I agree with you. Cupcakes, I don't know what's going on, eh?
Right, cupcake. Muffin top, cupcake, everything.
Cupcake, I don't know what's going on with our president, guys. But you know,
I can't really vote the ANC, that's why.
Say they.
They
vote for ANC.
You see me vote for ANC again. Kill me.
Hi, Ramaphosa, I don't know what was going in his head, eh?
It does he not have a PR team or does he have it like just in his pocket? Didn't he just handle his own account?
See, that's what's funny about this whole thing. Nobody knows what's going on there, you know?
Guys.
Someone is saying that's why we are having problems.
That's why. But have you not noticed on News 24 that the amount, I think someone's funding someone to just expose all this corruption. There's something that's going on. Don't you think, Mr. Pim?
Yeah, I think so too. Savage is saying the next thing, seeing our president doing the same thing, it can never happen. It can never happen. We're gonna be very disciplined, comrades. Don't worry.
Savage says, "Not our president digging dirt to impeach the president and take off." And you were the first one. Did you see what the president's?
I have to know what my competition is doing, you know, to score some points. That's being a good opposition.
Vote for Choppers NC. Hey, wait, Savage is on a roll today. Choppers NC. CNC. That's our new party. Ish.
Ramaphosa, we are tired. It was the couch thing.
It was the couch thing. And there are rumors that he's dating one of an actress. Yo, guys.
Ah,
Did you know that rumor?
no, I didn't even know that. I need to tell my chief of staff to
Like,
capitalize on
you must walk
those
down the
rumors.
steps. We must walk off to the sunset now. Sometimes you must just, admit to defeat.
Cupcake.
And then Paul Mashatile wants to be president.
Paul must relax, man. He's old.
He
for
must
that.
just relax himself. He's already done a lot. He must just wait. They want to just take some more. That's greed, though, eh? That's the greed. That's the greed you can express. That's the greed. Greed is it's the same type of thing you can get in the market. That type of greed. Greed is a thing, man.
Cupcake.
I always put Ulis through. How? Joburg has got wind. Joburg is windy.
Where do you see that?
I'm hearing it here at home. It's just I never knew Joburg could be this windy. We need rain. Can you see what's happening, Mr. P here? So I'm waiting for that 36.90 to reload, but it seems like it may pull back a little. Let's see what the 15-minute chart is saying.
Was that gold?
Yeah, the 15-minute is a bit relentless. Let's see the 5. Let me just see. Yeah, guys, I don't think this is gonna fall to the discount. Back to 36.75, not today.
I need to correct something there. Fungile, I know you are not talking about me, my friend. Fungile is saying this country is in trouble with this president. Fungile, we're having too many presidents right now. You must specify which one.
There's our honorable,
yeah.
and there's the honorable.
Exactly. There's one president and the others. There's one president and the others. So you need to be.
Ours is the honorable.
Yeah, because new people who come on the stream will think that you are talking about me, and I know you're not talking about me, my friend. But yeah, no, Cupcake.
Oh, imagine Savage. Imagine Rupert being the next president. That would be crazy.
He's also old, guys. Why are we having these old people being charged? I'm turning 40 today. I'm still young to be in this thing.
Did you lie to me?
Huh? No, let's get on the stream. Let's get on the stream. What are you looking at? What price are you looking at?
Gold. Mr. P. Okay. I'm looking at gold. I'm still looking to get it. I'm just waiting for confirmation to reload though.
I think I should what do you think? Maybe we should play something. Anyone who guesses my age.
Yes, that would be good.
Then
and then just throw any shares you want me to look at this point whilst we're there.
I think, what should I do? Anyone that guesses my age.
Yeah, what do we do?
And they are not in our private group, they will have access to the private group.
Okay.
Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, guess my age there. If you get it right, you're gonna get on the private group. You have 1 vote. Hey, Samuel, it seems like you are in that gold, eh? You're feeling like Neil Armstrong right now.
Do it, Samuel. I'm there with you. I'm waiting for a reloading opportunity. I'm waiting for this thing to ride to 38.85, guys. When it hits that, then I'll be like, okay.
The votes are coming already.
Samuel's 34. Let me write a register. Are you writing it or what?
Yeah, write it there. No.
Okay. Samuel. Oh, guys, wait. It's okay. They coming so.
Let them come.
Wait, no. I must. Oh, Jazz.
Oh.
Samuel is 38. Samuel is 34.
Chopper AI.
But now, what if it is okay? We didn't think about this though. What if? Because there's a lot of 38s, 39 coming. Who's going to? Is it the first person who? You see, there's everyone saying there's a. And 34. So it seems between 34, 37. As Savage is 40. 34
Wow.
Okay, Steven says 36. At least he's different.
I wanna ask the AI, Chopper AI. So we are asking people, we are asking people here, how old do you think I am? So I don't know. Take your guess, Chopper AI.
And so you've got
Yeah. How old do you think I am? And don't be creepy there, please, because if you get it right, then
I'll keep it light. I'd ask somewhere in your early to mid 30s, but of course, it's all in good fun. Let me know if I'm close.
early and mid 30s. Just say
Yeah.
just say the number. Say the number.
All right, I'll go with 34. Hopefully, I'm in the right ballpark.
Okay, so write it down. The AI says 34 years.
Yeah. Okay.
You'll see everyone now will say 34. That's how much you believe in this thing.
You know what I said? I must also put mine.
You're also putting yours. Alright,
Yes.
Miss Gamma, yours you already said it. Don't no.
You know when I win a private group session?
Neptune is saying a funded account if we get it right. You know, if only I spoke to Okta to do something, yeah? And they give them a funded account for getting it right. That was gonna be dope.
We can still do that.
We can still do that, né?
MJ, if you are over 40, then you're a vampire.
What do you mean, Samuel? What do you mean?
Sucking blood to get to look younger. Yeah, no, Mr. P looks young. No, he does, Shem.
I look below 30, né?
Yeah. I told you.
Yeah. Keep them coming, guys. Keep them coming. Yo, read King Podcast's comment. You know, some of you guys are so brutal, eh?
How Savage has changed to 43.
Savage, you only vote once, man. How many times have you been voting? There's a
But I
comment.
wish I met everyone. How are we going to do this? Where I can meet the
Savage
people?
says the AI said, ask the AI, and the AI said, I'm 15. What AI are you using, Savage?
Offense says 32. And Miss Margaret says 32. Guys, me and... Wait, man, President, you know, I'm still so perplexed about this.
Yeah.
How did you get the AI to say my name correctly? Please just tell me.
How did I get the AI to say your name correctly?
Yes.
Okay, let me ask. Chopper AI, are you in the house?
I'm right here with you, definitely in the virtual house. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Oh, that's a nice name. Virtual house.
Virtual
I'm glad
house.
you like it. It definitely captures the vibe. If you absolutely, I'm always here and ready to help out. Just let me know what you need.
So Miss Gamma is asking a question. She's saying, how did you get her name right? Like, how did you get
Pronunciation.
your pronunciation right, Mushima?
I'm glad it came out right. I try to pay attention to the details and get names correct, and I appreciate the feedback. It's always great to get things right, especially when it comes to names.
Okay. Hey, some people are coming in here. Don't go to Google. I don't think Google has my thing, yeah? Don't go to Google. Don't Google my name.
Hey, someone's just written your whole birthday.
You know the Google has now AI mode, right? Where like they
Yes.
give information about a person. Let me see.
Crypto Muntu, let's see. Yes, I'm still going to reload. I'm just, you know what I'm effectively waiting.
Let me see what AI has.
So,
let's see what
for crypto Nah, I hope I'm saying it right. I'm actually, so I use the RSI a lot. So I'm just waiting for this to bounce, because if it does that, or even there, and bounces, already for me it's trading above 36.90. If the RSI does that, then once it then recovers back upwards, I will go above. So I'm basically waiting for the RSI to finish this retest, and before I can get in. I think at most, if it could fall below there, which is at 36.84, I would also wait for that. That would be a discount area. But I think if the RSI ticks back upwards, then I'm going to get in at 36. I'm still waiting for reload. Remember, my target is 38.85, which is far, but I'm willing to wait for it to get there and just reload.
The things are still coming. People are still throwing in their
46.
Did somebody say, Kyle, really? 46 years?
I can't tell, it's just.
Kyle. And you find that Kyle is serious, eh? Let me see.
And this is
they can't get it on Google. They won't find it. Let's see.
Where are we gonna have the drum roll?
Nah, Google doesn't have anything. Even if you can check it on this mode.
How's your Germany looking there?
Nah, it's still going to the downside. Nah, it doesn't reveal my background on Google doesn't reveal anything. So I'm safe.
Neptune. How is it? Was Neptune at the summit?
No,
Neptune's in Cape Town though, isn't it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Man.
Savage, when you are disqualified, you can't be voting 10 times. This is not the ANC, my friend.
Savage.
This is not the ANC.
He wants to win.
Savage has been voting ever since. Like, you can only vote once, Savage. You are disqualified.
It was even a 43.
Yeah, he's from 15. You are still saying 43. He's from 15 years.
Savage kills me. Where's Neptune been? Cape Town Wire, yeah. Neptune and I are Cape Town Wire, guys. How is Mr. Wire?
Savage, we are now it's saying 56, 76.
86. You know there are 86-year-olds that look like you, so you better start working hard towards that.
Oh no, definitely. I'm going back to gym. I've cut off caffeine. You guys, I'm actually disappointed in you guys that you didn't ask me today if I have broken my promise that I will never consume caffeine and fizzy drinks. I've never, ever since.
Caffeine, fizzy drink, but
fizzy drinks and caffeine. I've stopped taking coffee. I've stopped taking Coca-Cola. I'm clean, man. I feel like
those are normal things. Coca, I don't really.
That's really impressive. It's definitely a big change, and it sounds like it's having a positive effect on you. Kudos to you for sticking with it and feeling better overall. Keep it up.
Yeah, man. You know, there's something that my daughters got for me for my birthday, man. This is the best thing ever.
Oh, what? Tell us.
They got me this beautiful key holder that has me and my dad on it. My late dad.
Really? Show us. Can you?
Yeah, let me see. Let me try to get it. Give me 1 second.
Sure. Here we go. See what the numbers are saying. Fungila, you're also in Cape Town. I can only see it on this thing now.
There it is. I have it there. I don't know. No, I don't think you're gonna see it.
Yeah, I'm also trying to see it on the channel because I can't see it on the.
Let me see.
Take a picture and show me, please, later.
Yeah. So this is my dad, and this is my dad, and this is me. It's a beautiful. It's like it's drawn. Right? It's a very beautiful.
Oh, that's such a thoughtful
thing. And it reads, "Thank you for always. Thank you for all the years we've spent with me. Love you and miss you always, Mjita." So I used to call my dad Mjita. So yeah, man, this is something very. I'm very grateful for this.
Oh,
I sent you a
man.
picture. It's a very beautiful thing. I miss my dad, man, at times.
You know, it's incredible. Your mom's still alive, ne?
Yeah, my mom's still alive.
It's incredible to see, people's parents still, some people are really still like you. To have both parents around.
Yeah.
Did I tell you I also got into weightlifting?
Oh, is it? Hey,
Yeah,
you're gonna be mooring people, nah?
Well, I'm not trying to hit that. I just want to firm up. But
Check your WhatsApp.
Hmm?
Check your WhatsApp.
Let me see. Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
In your graduation, oh, this is keeping it forever.
Yeah, no, this is.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah, this is.
And it's in Word. Just even everything behind it. It's not just the picture fella,
Sure.
Very
sure.
beautiful. It can only come from a thoughtful mom, my friend.
No, my German is gone. German is going down by 0.37%. Passed through that 23,700 mark. Still low. One can ask, Mr. President, why don't we go to the downside then? I think so, my friend. Let's try the downside then. VWAP is trading at 23,700. I think maybe then let's catch it there and go to the downside then. We can easily take some few pips here, in and out trade, exit there, put stops here, and we should be good to go. Right, so I'm looking at now, seeing if I can go low. NAS still going to the upside, up by 0.32%. US 30. Oof, I think US 30 is ready, guys. What do you think? I think this US 30 is ready. Let me see what Nasdaq is doing first. Nah, I think US 30. Remember Nasdaq, we said we can only sell below 24,300. Go nicely to the downside there. US 30 I think is ready. I'm preparing myself for this US 30.
For what? The downside? I'm looking at it on the YouTube because I can't see it on the thing.
Oh yeah, just wait for it a bit.
See, so three of us are Cape Town. Well, Mina, Cape Town based Joburg. Come.
You're still looking at gold.
That's all on my mind.
Yeah, can you take us through some shares there, Ms. Gamma?
Can you take us? You cut there.
Can you take us through thingy?
I'm still waiting, right, to reload. I'm not reloading it because
3675, right?
I think the most, you see now it's pulling back, right?
Yeah.
Which is so it's obviously now let's see what's this level here. High is 3685. 3685, yeah. So let's just see when it gets there. Is it gonna hold 3685 or is it gonna bounce? If it does, then that gives an earlier entry, because this could be just a flag to continue. Okay, so I'm busy waiting for it now. Above 3585. But if it breaches that, I'm still going to wait. Then it means that's the next support would be there. So I'm kind of waiting for reloading at this point. I'm already in, right? It's just a reloading strategy right now. 3680. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm not looking at any other. Yeah. That's it. 3680. And this is 3675. Five minutes. Where's Souls?
Souls is around. I was with him at the thing.
Oh man, are you serious?
Yeah, but I think we got in at the same time.
What time did you leave there?
Yo, I left a bit late, so in fact I was shooting, I was vlogging that day. You'll see the video is out now on YouTube.
Vlogging with who?
Nah, just myself and Moby and the other guys.
What were you vlogging? About the event?
Not really about the event was also part of it. I left there around, it was a Friday though. I left around 7 p.m.
What?
Yeah.
You were saying to me you're gonna be there for an hour, 2 hours.
No. I was actually there for like 3 hours. Then we left. We went somewhere with the guys to strategize and plan some other business stuff.
And then you got back.
And lunch.
How was it? How was the summit though?
Look, the summit was okay for some people. For me, I think it was too limited. There were only few brokers there, if I'm being honest. Like there were quite few. Like it's not your FMAS level.
But that's how you start, at least, you know.
Yeah, but nah, it was not your FMAS level, but it was the venue was also too small. Like you know how massive FMAS can be, right?
Because I was thinking, I've been there for rugby, where where they host the lunch before you all go to rugby.
Yeah.
And I'm just picturing if it was in that area, it is kind of small.
No, it was small. It was too small. To be honest, it was too small. The venue was extremely small.
But the turn up?
Yeah, it was okay. I think it was meeting the size.
Oh, so now you're telling me I should have come?
Look, it all depends on, like, for me, it's just that if I want to know information about brokers like that, I always have certain brokers in mind. So when I got there, it was just brokers that I was not. But it was also good to see, like, guys that you've worked with before, you know?
Yeah, it's always a nice networking.
Yeah, to find out what are they busy with, what can we do together, you know, those type of things. So it was good in that aspect.
So is the competition done?
It seems so. Let's go through it. Are you guys done voting?
So it was so many votes, like of the same things, and then
Okay,
it
Savage,
became-
take Savage out. I at some point I'm 150 years old. Take him out. Savage is disqualified. Did you write their names or you just wrote their numbers?
I wrote, you know what? It became difficult to actually, because then it was, you know, when it's many people saying 36 and many people saying 34.
Which one is dominating between 36 and 34?
So 34 seems to be dominating.
34.
Yeah.
Wait, there's also something I have to confess.
Now when the competition is about to end.
Okay. I myself, I'm not sure
Of what?
of the thing. I will have to rely on putting the year and minus to be sure, because sometimes they confuse me. Are you ending it? You understand what I mean?
Wait, start again. You broke there. You broke. What did you say?
Like, I get confused at times.
About what?
So
your
if
age?
somebody said 40, and I'm not saying I'm 40, it's an example. I will repeat, it's an example. If somebody's saying I'm 40, I don't know if I'm gonna be turning 40 today or I'm 41. You see, that's why I get confused. So even me, I'm not okay, but I will.
What time were you born?
Time in the evening, 6 o'clock.
So you're turning 6 o'clock. So you're turning whatever age older today at 6.
Okay, for example, for example, say I'm born in 1985, for example, right? You minus the year we are in, right, which is 2025. It says 40. What is that? What does that mean? I'm turning 40,
This
or
year,
I'm finishing, or I'm finishing 40.
You're turning 40. What do you mean finishing 40? You're finishing 39 and turning 40.
So I say 1985 minus 2025.
Yes. So today on your birthday at 6 o'clock p.m. is when you're turning 40.
That's how it
start
works.
saying goodbye before 39
Oh,
around this
so
time.
I've been telling people the wrong things.
So you must say, I officially turned 40 today at 6 o'clock. I was born in the AMs.
So
15 look.
I was telling people wrong thing because according to this calculator. Let me ask AI. I won't stress like this.
Wait, what are you-
Chopper AI, can you assist me with something?
Of course.
So I'm giving you an example because I'm still on the stream and I don't want to give it away, right? It's just an example. Don't also give it away, please. Is that all right?
Absolutely. I've got no worries at all. Just let me know what you need and I'll keep it all confidential and low key whenever you're ready. I'm here to help.
Yeah, I'm about to buy US 30, by the way, after this. Okay. So, for example, if I'm born in 1985, 6 o'clock, it's an example, right? Don't forget, Chopper. If I'm born in 1985, how old am I turning today?
Got it. No worries. So if you were born in 1985 and today is 2025, that would make you 40 years old. Definitely keeping it all in mind and not sharing it. Let me know if you need anything else.
Sure.
Perfect. So
What
whenever
is
you
your
need
issue with
anything,
that?
just let me know. I'm here to help.
Okay. I get
So
it.
what's your issue? Mr. P.
Savage, you say I thought you were good with maths. I don't really care about maths, man. I'm
Because
good
I'm
with
sure the AI just rolled its eyes. It was like, dude.
I'm good with numbers.
It
Not
equals 40.
there's difference between numbers and maths.
They put it looking at
You see,
numbers.
we are having Zuma counting moment. Wow, Sama. Wow.
What did you say? 1 million
700 and
billion.
he says listen carefully. Listen properly. Okay. Yo, then
What is it? I'm
then
trying to
we have
figure
a
out what the
problem
problem
here.
is.
We have a problem then.
We do. This competition, we didn't think about it.
Now we have a problem. There's one person who get it spot on, and I don't want to mention the person. Spot on. Spot on.
Who is it now? Let me just see.
How does the AI know my age?
Did the AI give you your age?
Then I'm giving it away. How does the AI know my age? Chopper AI. I'm just curious about something because it's becoming a bit creepy now. How old do you? Chopper AI. As I've mentioned earlier on, it's becoming a bit creepy now. How do you think Miss Gamma? How old do you think Miss Gamma is?
I get what you mean. It can definitely feel a bit odd to guess someone's age. Honestly, I don't have any specifics about Miss Gama's age, so I'd say it's best to keep it respectful and just focus on her expertise and
Oh, what
experience.
about me then? What then? How did you know about me then?
That's a great question. I know about you from the information you've shared with me in our previous chats. It's all based on what you've mentioned, so it's definitely not creepy, just context to help me assist you better.
Okay. Machine learning, right?
Exactly.
Yes.
It's all about machine learning and the info you provide. It helps me tailor responses and keep everything relevant and helpful for you.
Also, the way you write your questions to AI, it decides over a whole lot of things.
When you say the way you write, it's like, nah, man, you don't look smart.
Yeah, Lola, Boma Gen Z, Boma, yeah. I write proper sentences, which could make the AI feel like Lola Nati. I never abbreviate or anything.
Oh my God! Look at that German. That US 30. Look at US 30. Fungile is saying he's close to 40 because he's always making examples close to 40. I don't know.
He's still trying. He's trying.
Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe.
When are we gonna divulge this?
The what?
The age.
Oh, you mean the competition?
Mm.
This competition, I don't know, guys. We need your help. Come in. How can we? Because now, hey, we are.
Who's also looking at gold? Just by the way, can I just interrupt there? Besides, who's looking to get into gold as well?
1 second, I'm with you guys. You can carry on, Miss Gamma.
I'm just asking choppers who's looking to get into this gold trade, or who's in it already. So this retracement is kind of important for me at this point. Where is that up? 35.85. If it bounces there, guys, it's time to get in. I just want to see who's in gold. Let's see. Okay, you see that thing about shares though? Were you able? Can I just Mangwara? No, that's not how you say your name. Mangwara. Oh, guys. Let me just rather say that. I don't know if Samuel, are you in gold? Already in? Okay, great. Neptune. My new lover is also silver. So I'm liking that. Waiting for a discount to buy. Okay. So with small amount of money, I don't know if you did get into. I don't know if you did though, but we had a little webinar on a little cost factor where I was showing the choppers how many shares you could get with a mere 3,000 rand. You could get close to 5 shares, and that's a good start for your portfolio. So you can start off, even if it's 2,000 rand, no one must have the misconception that you can start building a portfolio or start building wealth you have to be in the 100,000 rand ranges. You can start off with the point is to start off, and you'll see as you get that momentum going, just frivolous expenses. You think of how you want to build. It's such a mental refreshment. For me, when I get any amount of money, I save it into my portfolio, because you can withdraw that money whenever you need it. It's pretty similar to maybe you just have to wait a few days for the shares to settle, but you can start off with as little as 2,000 rand. So don't let them intimidate you, thinking that you have to start off. You only build a profitable portfolio when you've got 100,000 or millions. Don't even listen to that. So at any money, the point is to start. Any percent, even if it's $500, the point is to start. I hope I answered your question, Sibahle. Okay. That reloading position at this point. This is what I'm looking at, this trend line. Okay, ignore these. These are looking a bit untidy. This is from another, but I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, a bounce. Can you see already things are looking like there may be a bounce? So thing is, let me just mention, using my very simple technique, is that if gold trades below 35.85, then I think we could see it go to a discount at 36.75. But if it holds at 35.85 and holds on to this uptrend, then I just think there may not be that opportunity for it to fall there. As we see on the daily chart, okay, it's overbought, but importantly, it's broken through that negative divergence. This thing's gonna ride. So I think if you're not in gold, this could be your opportunity to get in. If you are looking to get in, if you are in already, I think it's just a reloading. And as I said, my target is at 38.85. So that's where I see gold going. So you just ride it until then. Are you back, Mr. P?
I'm here.
Okay. Mr. P, I've got 5 minutes.
Yeah, we're going out now. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Are
we streaming?
Tomorrow we're not streaming, unfortunately, but we're gonna have a private stream. Stream. Thursday there will be a webinar for everybody. Don't forget that. So tomorrow we're gonna have a private stream. All right, for those of you that wants to join the private stream, look up there. You will see there is a thing. The phone number there, 0763506942. This is where you can find out more about what we do. Then we can take it from there, guys. Okay, but tomorrow we are not streaming. What am I looking at? German. I'm going to see if I can go back to 23,600 and let me just say 23,700. Maybe I can go to the downside. US30. We'll see if we can get to 45,950, which is a psychological level. View up here. One can ask, Mr. President, why were you looking for buy orders there at this level? Pretty much simple. We are consolidating and we see that we are having a mini upward trend here forming on 15 minutes. Your candlesticks here that are rejecting and you are having indecision candlestick, they are actually giving it away, right? So it close above, that's where you execute your buy there to the upside. Gold. All right, so my gold, I'm reloading at 3,680. That's where I have my POC level. And my other level that I'm going to be looking at is 3,683. This is where currently my view up is playing, but I'll update you guys on the group as we go about the day, right? Currency pairs. Oh, this looks like a nice sell here. Counter. This might be a counter. You take your sell there, maybe 1:2. Put your stops just here. to trap for those that are going to the upside and go to the downside. This can be a nice counter there going to the downside. But yeah, let's give it some time to see where it goes. And then British pound USD also dropping nicely there to the downside. One can say, Mr. President, I'm going to reload and go to the upside. This is what I'm gonna do, right? Maybe that's when I can go to the upside. From this price point there, $1.36.37, I can take at least 25 pips to the downside. Then from here on 1 hour, it will be a nice retest. Can you see? On 1 hour can be a nice retest, then I can go to the upside. So that's how I'm looking at British pound USD. Right, what else are we looking at? WTI, I'm looking to reload and buy at $62.64 and go nicely there to the upside. We haven't tapped that price as yet, but I'm still monitoring it. Solana, yesterday I told you guys on the private live stream, I've closed all my Solana trades. I'm going to reload again at 218. So we've been buying Solana. Most of you guys caught it nicely at 204, and I did say that we are going to reload again at 219. We caught it nicely there at 219 all the way to 248. That was a nice movement, man, to the upside. So what I'm then going to do on this Solana, we closed our positions yesterday. Some of you in our private group were saying, Mr. President, I closed my positions over the weekend because we were a bit worried about this momentum going to the downside. Let's reload again at the same price, 219. We go to the upside again. Bitcoin positions, again, you can ask me, Mr. President, are you still holding Bitcoin? No. So we bought at 113. I've been saying reload again. So we've been buying from this low here. We bought at 109, reloaded at 111, reloaded again at 113. So I'm gonna wait for another discount. 113 is where I have my price point there. Maybe again go to the upside. Right, that's what I have for you guys. Ms. Gama, anything you want to say before we wrap up?
Neptune was just asking me to do a quick analysis. Am I sharing my screen now?
Quick analysis on what you just got cut off there?
The dollar index.
Oh, okay, please do.
All right, so I think at this point you already know this consolidation I've been talking about. The key thing is dollar has broken. I'm looking at the daily chart because that's going to determine. So it broke out of this, but it's still in this consolidative phase. So this consolidation can happen for as long as, I don't know, and until either the upper end or the lower end is breached. But what's come to my attention, which is the reason why we're seeing a lot of the pairs or gold go up, is that dollar has actually breached a very key support. And with its RSI looking like that, then it's done the retest. This could swiftly move, dollar index could swiftly move to the next support level, which is around there, 96.35, which then translates to our gold actually above 36.90, moving towards at least 37, those 37 upwards levels towards my target, which is around 38,800. So it's quite a very big move that dollar has given in to this key level here, very big. And because it did the retest twice and failed again to kind of get out of this bearish structure. And if I put, yeah, that's another important thing, because if it does breach, let me just zoom it there. If this downside continues below this particular trend line, we can actually see like a quick impetus down to that support, which then supports the dollar. That's why you need to be at least getting into the dollar at the levels, the gold. So that's my, so what I'm trying to say is there's a whole big consolidation that's happening. In that consolidation, obviously there's key support levels that are being breached like it has at this point, but the celerity of the downside is going to increase at this point because of particular key levels and trend lines that are being breached. And if that's the dollar on the downside, it then means every other pair of yours will then go up inversely. So that's my 2 cents worth with the dollar. So today's candle is quite important. Tomorrow could be a bullish candle. But if it's a green, like if it's another bearish structure or candle that forms below that trend line, then yeah, then we can see gold go up quickly as well. I hope that helps, Neptune.
Right, someone is asking about AUD USD. What's your take there?
AUD.
I think we were bullish on AUD USD last week. I'll also check it out. I think we were bullish last week.
I mean, it makes. Let me just see here. Yeah, I think the bullishness may just be curbed at this point. It's at that tip top. Yeah, I think at this point maybe one should be looking for shorts, but temporary shorts, because I think support. So you would short and buy again there. I think, yeah, I see where the bullishness comes in, but the daily chart is saying you need to start shorting at resistance, which would be around them. This is already starting to fall. So yeah, they may be, I think, at most towards there. Yeah, the daily is just saying consider shorts, but I don't think for an extended period, just to get off that overbought territory. But is that the daily? Oh, the daily. Sorry, I was looking at the weekly. Okay, so yeah, okay, the daily's already done that negative divergence. So yeah, just a bit of a short, because it just seems to always reverse every time it tests there. But I don't think it's one that will be. I think the momentum's still upwards. It's just a correction. So take advantage of that correction.
Still trading at 66 cents.
Yeah.
All right. Let me
So
see. This is what we had last week on AUD USD. Someone did ask me about it. Was it on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken? Let me see. Yeah, this was on Wednesday. My take on AUD last week was buy at 65 cents. At around this area here, wait for a retest, and we put a marker there that this will be a safe level to buy it. So if you had your alert, it would have been tapped at that level. And I don't know what risk reward and what entry criteria you use to enter this. You could have had your nice 1:3. In fact, even 1:4, depending on how ambitious you're going to be or how you follow your rules. Yeah, so we'll see. For me, intraday wise, I would say I agree with the selling momentum coming in. On 15 minutes is consolidating though. 15 minutes is just consolidating. But for the fact that we are just below this key level here and close below VWAP, maybe can look for something like this and maybe then go to the downside. All right.
okay, choppers, I have to.
We have to bounce now. Choppers, thank you so much for tuning
Thank
in.
you.
Thank you for the birthday wishes.
Halala. Don't work too much today, Mr. When I know you.
That's a problem. You know, I'm actually stressing about what's ahead. My day is crazy.
Like what, work-wise? But you see, that's the thing about during the week birthdays. Lina, I don't really, you know, it's only weekends that I get to celebrate birthdays. But during the week birthdays, it's just a work day, man.
Yeah, no, my day is looking horrible.
No, don't say that.
Okay, power of words, right?
Yes, power of the words.
Okay, so
The day is looking fantastic, and everything is going to work with ease and successfully so. That's what I
amen.
think.
Amen. I can take that any day. But don't forget, we have our meeting now, Ms. Gamma at 11. Don't forget.
Yes. I want to. That's why I want to log off, so I'm ready
Oh,
for that.
and I still have the thingy to send on the thingy. Remember on the other.
Yes, I'm looking
oh.
for it.
So
I'm busy liking and putting fires for your thing.
So there's a lot to do, unfortunately, today. There's an event tomorrow I'm attending. I have to prepare for it today.
What is it?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
The choppers shouldn't know about this one.
Okay.
All right, choppers, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. From me and Miss Gama, it's all love. We'll see you when, Miss Gama, when are we seeing them? We're going to see you on Thursday. So Thursday, we're going to have 2 sessions. There'll be a session for 7 p.m. in the evening. And there will be a live stream session, private and public on Thursday. So Stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much. Hi Cat is saying 30-something birthday. Yeah, man. Okay, fine. So I'll go through this. Some people are saying, Ms. Gamma, we don't know who the winner is. Let's be.
But there was one person you right that.
There's one person who got it right, though.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll contact that person then.
Yeah.
Or should we do it like we are all winners?
We're all winners. Everyone who said below 40 is a winner.
Everybody who said below 40, below VWAP is a winner.
Below VWAP is a winner.
VWAP is trading at 40. So anything that closes below 40 at VWAP has triggered the sell. All right, Ms. Gama.
Winning trade.
It's a winning trade. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Choppers.
Let's see one another on the virtual meeting now at 11. Sure. Oh, by the way, I need you to show me that thing. Remember, you need to show me.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's jump on.
Wait, yeah, let's jump on a call. I just need to go do something, and then let's do a WhatsApp call quickly. I'll be on my laptop to show you.
All right, sure. Thank you, guys. Cheers.
Bye.